From there, we talk about the teachings given to the youth during the preparation for Christian marriage. Now you're in the church, and you're the youth, and you're being given advice. So what is these teachings that you're taught during preparation for a Christian marriage? And here we are talking about also those people who are going to get married in the church. They are told on faith matters, on how to pray with your partner. Especially most churches, you go for guidance. You go weekly once for guidance. You're taught how to pray with your partner and how your Christian faith is. If you're not a member of a particular church and your husband belongs, or the husband to be, or your fiancé, you start doing the catechism classes. You're also taught about now, if you've not chosen the partner, you are taught about the choice or the qualities of a good partner. And then also you are taught the need of love on basis of a Christian family. There is need of a lot of love in a marriage. And then you're also taught about responsible parenthood, on how to raise children and how to be responsible. When they grow up, you take them to school. You're guided on these matters. And also, you are guided on how to maintain a good health. That's why, in wedding preparation, the couple, or on their courtship in the church, they are told to go for the testing of what? HIV. You cannot be given a marriage certificate by the government today without the what? HIV testing. So therefore, you should be able to be taught also how to maintain a good health, how to avoid diseases. And then the greatest of them all, you're taught financial management. Because most marriages, they break up because of what? Financial constraints. So you are taught financial management. And at the church that I go to, you are taught to show your fiancé what? Your pay slip. Show him or her how much, if you've taken a loan, how much you owe. You should be able to tell each other. If you've not formalized, because previously I was talking about can-we-stay marriages, if you've not formalized your marriage, you don't even know what your spouse earns. You can't. In the first place, they are not committed to you, so it's not a must they tell you. And it's usually shocking. You call someone and then you tell her, what does your husband do? They don't know. It is usually funny. Even here in school, I ask you, what does your father do? You don't know whether he's in farming. You don't know, especially in the town, you don't know. He comes in the morning and goes in the evening. So you wonder, what does the parent do? If you don't know. It's tricky. I don't know.